Abandoned homes are a common feature on the modern landscape of rural Ireland. Sometimes their owners have passed on, sometimes they had to emigrate, and sometimes they come home. This cottage in County Leitrim hasn't been lived in for almost 50 years, though its owner and caretaker John comes home from America every so often to check in on the place.
Still works.
The first job is reaching the cottage itself, since a mere few years without maintenance in an area rich in biodiversity is certainly enough to see a formerly active property swallowed whole by ivy and brambles. Thankfully, John came prepared.
Karen, you deserve a beer after this.
The kitchen,
Right.
big open fire.
They probably cooked there too, right?
Yeah, this is the only place.
That's the only place to cook.
Oh, it cooked in the open fire at that time. That would have been the sitting room or the parlour, it used to be called.
Yeah,
This
and that was the bedroom.
Bedroom, yeah.
So there was electric in here at one point.
Yeah.
The same old Bakelite breakers that we had.
Falling apart.
Very dark.
Yeah.
You see the curtains.
Oh my gosh. You folks probably can't see that, but there are still curtains hanging. You can definitely feel the difference in the quality of that net to the net curtain you'd buy today. Oh, that's much better now with the light on it. It's amazing. And this beautiful old unit.
Marianne kept every letter.
Oh,
Letters and
all her
such.
correspondences. This beautiful unit in the corner too. Oh, that's a brave age.
This would have been my great uncle's fiddle. Michael's. More bits and papers here. Tax information.
All the important things.
Yeah. Yes, and I think this trunk is full of papers as well. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, there's multiple books. This is a bank book, I think.
Yeah, it looks like a bank book.
No, it's just a notebook.
I think it was red.
It was red.
1934. Oh, this is the cattle records and
Yeah.
Keeping track of the farm.
you're standing on a book.
Am I?
Yes.
Yeah, it's probably a Bible.
It looks like a Bible.
Oh my god. Yeah, it looks like
It is.
It is a Bible. Here, let me put it up here because
You struck
I don't want to be. I'll be struck dead.
The antique wallpaper.
Yeah.
What a beautiful pattern. Very reflective of the nature in this area. You didn't leave the oven on, John, did you? And the sun has come out at last. It's a glorious day to be visiting this part of Ireland. I'd like to say a massive thanks to John and his family for inviting me to film inside their ancestral home. It's a rare treat to see inside a home so well preserved and full of history. And whether it's history or home renovations you're interested in, one of these playlists is bound to keep you busy for a bit. And if you've made it this far, please hit the like button below so YouTube will pay me and I can continue to bring you along on my witchy adventures. Gur Maithagov, Slán agus Bannacht, goodbye and good luck to you.